Dallas 89 on final approach. Course to landing on runway 12.
LS 89er, clearance granted, runway 12.
Yeah.
Welcome to Los Santos, Captain Bruzenhagen. Proceed to taxiway 04L.
I be hustling all the time. Always money. I will never drop a dime on my motherfucking grind. It's the motherfucking grind. I be hustling all the time. Always money on my mind. I will never drop a dime on my motherfucking grind. It's the motherfucking grind. It's the motherfucking grind. It's the motherfucking grind. I be trapping all the time. Always money on my.
What's up, boy?
What's going on, man? Everything?
Man, you already know. How was your flight?
Oh, yeah, it was cool, bro. That shit, I really needed that shit, bro.
That's what's up.
That shit was like climbing back into some good pussy you ain't had in a long time. You know what I'm
Yikes.
saying?
I need to see what that's about. Sheesh.
Yeah, that shit was pretty cool, though.
Uh-huh.
It was crazy because I'm still geeked about getting my shit back and knowing what kind of opportunities that's going to open up. I get off the phone with you, pull it to the hangar.
Right.
Big black Luxor joint.
Oh, yeah?
Cold shit. I'm like, all right, now this was what the fuck I'm talking about. This how you get back into the saddle.
Teach me, bro. Teach me how to fly. I can do some shit with a helicopter. Just wait. I'm telling you on everything. But what happened, though?
So I fly out, go holler at Tone. He introduced me to this wildcat named Luis up the way. I mean, them niggas is up there getting it.
Oh, yeah?
We go sit in the box of the Penetrators game. We chopping it up.
Penetrators game.
Tone and Luis telling me about how they hearing about what we got going on out here.
Mm-hmm.
So Tone basically telling me that, we need to chill out for a while. He got some shit for us.
Right.
But, it's going to take a little second to get it all put together.
Okay.
So he hit me off with the nice little stipend.
How much? I hope it's nice. I'm trying to cop some chunky shit.
Oh yeah, man, it's enough to get you zooms and wham. So just post up, enjoy your house. I see you got the nice little spot. Got your family out of the J's.
Nigga, but this shit broke me though, man.
Oh shit, pimping ain't easy.
Real. I'm glad this nigga just gave us a little stipend.
It's a stipend.
Whatever the fuck you call it.
And it's enough to hold you for about a month. So just sit tight, and when everything is everything, we'll get back up and get cracking.
Okay then.
Man, you a horrible host.
What?
You ain't offer me no water or nothing. What you got in this kitchen?
Man, you can have whatever you like, bro. This shit, su casa, mi casa, my nigga. Fuck you talking about?
What have we here?
Oh yeah,
My beloved.
That dog water. I know you fuck with that dog water. Yeah, so lay low for a month or so. I could do that. Turn up, bitch. Yeah, get back to this money because I need it. Nigga, gotta. On my grind.
It's hard to stay motivated in this recession.
What recession, bitch?
Peace out.
Turn, ho. Let's get out here. My baby. Ow. Yeah. Motherfucking monster.
Hello?
Yeah, bro, I'm pulling up.
All right, Buzz 1902.
All right. 1902?
Yep.
All right, yeah, I'm about to come up. Eclipse Towers?
Yep.
Okay, then. All right, I'm about to come up right now.
All right.
Yeah.
My favorite nigger friend. What's hood with you?
What up, George? I see you moving on up.
What you been up to?
You already know. Fucking this money up, turning the fuck up, showing these niggas how to do it.
For real, huh? Okay. All right.
Man, you already know I'm talking shit.
For real, I'm just waiting on Tone to call, man. Come on in, make yourself comfortable.
Yikes. Damn. Fireplace in the wall. You got 2 views in this motherfucker.
Oh, shit. They keep the rain off of me. It ain't nothing. I feel like I want to take over some shit. Don't this view make you want to take over some shit?
Hell yeah.
What's up? You smoking?
Nah, I'm good. This shit right here, though, man, make me feel a certain kind of way. Like, we really gotta do some big boy shit, man. I'm talking some real big shit. Like, we need some millions, man. Fuck it, billions. I can see it. This shit gonna be big. Man, where your bathroom at?
Downstairs.
All right, I'll be right back.
Don't fuck with my blue diamonds, nigga.
That's for them old niggas. I'm straight. So what's up with this Tony nigga, man? Taking all fucking day.
Yeah, he just shot me a text. We need to go pick up some keys at the office at 8.
Okay. Shit, I'm ready, man. Whatever the fuck he got.
Going in Tony's spot, seeing that view.
Fuck that. We need to view some money, nigga. Cause that little stipend that nigga gave us wasn't shit. And I need some real cheese. This nigga eating and we not.
I mean, you got a point. We busting the moves. We taking the heat. I mean, you see the clients starting to call us directly now. When it's time to slap leather and apply that pressure, motherfuckers don't see them. Motherfuckers see us. We Team Grinderz. Shit. I mean, we don't even need him.
Right.
We can do this for ourselves.
Damn right. Oh shit. Big boy shit. Okay then. My shit faster than that. You hear that shit?
Beasty Boy Records. Don't shine. Go ahead and hate me now. Don't shine. Working hard, still on my grind. Don't shine. Ain't no way that you can stop me now. It's my time. I'm gon' shine. I'm gon' shine. You can go ahead and hate me now. Don't shine. Working hard, still on my grind. Don't shine. Ain't no way that you can stop me now. It's my time. I'm gon' shine. Don't shine. Don't shine. I'm a killer for real. I grew up in the jungle. I'm a gorilla for real. The names ain't, but they know I carry the steel. And I got my game face. Cause I'm back for a deal. Niggas know I'm from the street. Fuck with me, I get you killed. And I don't gotta have it work, but you know I'm cutting deals. From the bottom to the top, from the school to the block. Niggas talk about that beef, but they really call the cops. They ain't on this bullshit. I'm a pimp and you a bitch. How the fuck you like to hustle when you really love to snitch? Beasty about a fucking dollar. I don't rock no damn chain, bitch. You better get my dollars or I let your mind.
What the fuck?
Smoking my life away. Smoking my life away.
Big
Smoking my life away. Smoking my life
You are now listening to sounds of DJ P.
Smoking my life away. I'm just smoking my life away. Smoking my life away.
I'm talking about.
Just smoking my
What's up, little baby?
Rolling up the sticky, old school Phillies, smoking like a chimney, or the barrel of the semi. I miss my brother Timmy, I'ma drink it till it's empty. Cali cushion, purple haze, I mixed it with some Remy. It's louder than a chopper.
It was found on King Solomon Creek. The wisest man in these days. Yo, what's up? Hey, come, check this out, bro. Okay, so remember the weed we had to go get from them dudes? This where they got that shit from. They got it because the spot didn't have no security. That's why Tone had us wait, because he wanted to put security and cameras in here. I mean, look at this shit. This is all state-of-the-art shit, bro. Everything. I mean, Pacific Standard ain't even got this type of shit.
So this is what Tony gave us.
Yep, this us. All us.
Right. That's
So
what's up.
that means we gotta supply it, we gotta move everything, and we gotta protect it.
Okay then. I'm with that.
The links is already set up. Everybody pretty much waiting on us to get in motion.
Oh yeah? Well shit. All that belong to us. We ain't gotta cut nobody in. All we gotta do is break that shit down and run
Boy,
it.
bust it down and run it. Period. They got a whole digital network,
Man.
private servers and everything. All we gotta do is log in and check our board and move.
So all these bills.
Yep, waiting to get moved. One's mad at me. I got too many fives. My five mad at me. I got too many tens. My tens mad at me. I got too many 20. Hey, what's going on?
What's up, boy?
Come on, take a ride with your nigga friend.
Okay, all right. What the fuck are these metal bars in here for?
It's a roll cage.
Shit look weird.
It's a real race car, nigga. The Class Factory Team, special edition. It's sitting in a barn out in Grapeseed. I copped it for the low, sent it over to Hector and told him to blow it up for me. They only made 20 of these. What the fuck is you doing?
For all the fans that might be watching
show,
and hate as
ain't
fuck
nobody
y'all.
out here.
Hey, this motherfucker is fast though, I'll give you that. I fuck with this car.
Hell yeah. You better know, anything of mine with a motor in it is running, bruh. When you smash down on it, it's either gonna go or blow.
Let me drive this motherfucker. I'll show you what to do with it for real.
Let you drive this motherfucker. You'll love that. This motherfucker be done chewed you up and spit you out before you even knew it got away from you. You cool, you right where you need to be.
You came back to this gas station?
Yeah, they got the coldest piss washer in town.
Oh, alright.
Wow! They your blood clot body man. Move yourself.
They on some gay shit, look like they selling dope.
What the fuck? Alright, hold tight, I'll be right back.
Leave the car on, nigga.
Oh, okay, here.
Oh. Alright. Grab me some Skittles.
Nah, nigga, you look like a Skittle.
Get that thing out of here.
Oh, I'm in and out.
What the fuck
So
is
yeah,
this?
I see you still at this location. Been here a while, huh? I've been trying to get a message to your boss. Long-time employee like you, I'm pretty sure he'd really like to hear what you gotta say. You gonna tell him his whole operation
please.
is getting
I'm
ready to go
emptying it.
down in
Quiet
flames. Y'all had ice cold piss washer. I'ma grab me one. You be cool, alright? Thanks.
Okay, I is official.
Damn, you in a hurry, nigga? What happened?
The piss washer was hot.
Shit.
Alright.
Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck the police chasing us for?
Now we about to see if I wasted my money or not.
Oh shit, bro.
These are not rhymes. I'm telling you.
Hey, reach in the glove box and grab that shit.
alright.
Get the motherfuckers off of us.
Hey, bro, I hope you gonna get us the fuck out of here.
Nigga, is fat meat greasy?
What the fuck?
Nigga, you just keep shooting that motherfucker.
Bro, this shit crazy. You got me popping that police and shit.
Nigga, you wanna go back to that new house, don't you?
I got you. Oh shit! Damn! She just got fucked up.
Not a fucking game. Taking my time and doing my thing.
Go, nigga, go! Get the fuck out of here! Man, bro, I didn't come outside to die today, nigga.
They keep clapping that motherfucker.
Go! What the fuck? Damn! Oh shit!
Fuck yeah! That's what the road cage is for. Now shoot them motherfuckers.
Let's go!
To the flow. I had to get your attention just for
What you doing, bro? Slow down! Oh shit! Oh shit!
That's my money's worth.
Definitely not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Pretty good. Get the fuck out of here, though.
Oh hell yeah! I fucked with Hector for sure behind that.
BSL bitches for those who don't know this. We ruining half-ass rap that is showbiz. Since we bought the scene, you get no biz.
Please don't get us killed, nigga.
Nigga, we getting the fuck out of here. That bullshit. Fuck you mean? Nigga, have trust in your big nigga friend.
I only got one clip left, nigga, so get us the fuck out of here.
I got you. Here we go, right up here. Yes, sir. They got my armor money. up while I get the plane
Get on
started.
this plane? All right, got you. Say less. Motherfuckers. Stupid ass. Lay that shit down. Fuck y'all want? Come on, bro. Fuck, I'm out of shells, nigga. We gotta go. Go, nigga, go. Man, just get us the fuck out of here.
What? What?
Damn, bro, they shoot us. They gonna shoot us down, man.
What?
Well, nigga, get this motherfucker out of here.
I can't hear you. Put on a headset.
I'm a motherfucking business. I'm just riding, getting it. I don't play by my business. I'm a beast killer, dog.